Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies crispy on top. First, ensure you use melted butter and granulated sugar. This combination is key for that desirable shiny, crisp crust. Next, whisk your eggs and sugar together vigorously for at least 2 minutes. This step incorporates air, which helps form the crackly top. Finally, once you add the dry ingredients, mix just until combined to avoid developing too much gluten. Achieving that perfect crispy top also depends on your baking method. Preheat your oven to a consistent 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A metal baking pan is ideal as it conducts heat evenly, promoting a uniform bake. Avoid opening the oven door too often during the baking process, especially in the first 2/3 of the baking time. This helps maintain a stable temperature, crucial for the crust to set properly. Proper cooling is just as important as baking for maintaining that crispy top. Once baked, let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This allows them to set fully and prevents the top from becoming soft. Resist the urge to cut them while warm. Wait until they are entirely cool. For storage, keep them in an airtight container at room temperature to preserve their texture. For consistently perfect crispy top brownies, always ensure your ingredients, especially eggs, are at room temperature before you begin mixing. This helps them emulsify better, leading to a smoother batter and a more uniform texture. Also, be mindful of leavening agents. Too much baking powder can make your brownies cakey instead of fudgy and crisp. And hey, while you're baking, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.